Do-it-yourself garden shed greenhouse, part 10, shingling roof. Okay, I'm getting ready to do my roofing now. And the first thing I should tell you is you should check with your building codes before you start doing anything. Now, building code around here requires me to put a ice and water shield down, but where this is just a garden shed, I don't have to go by the building code, so I'm just going to be putting tire paper over. But first I want to do is put my drip edge on. Now I'm only putting the drip edge on the fascia. I'm not going to put it on the rake. And make sure you don't slide this back hard. Just keep it level on the roof and bring it back just so it touches. I'm just going to tack it now. Sometimes this has a tendency to buckle. You should give yourself about, 4 or 6 inches overlap. So I need 84 inches. Okay, I'm going to put on the leading edge, or starter strip, as some people call it. Now these is pretty good, just a quick hole. Now, the first one you want to cut off about 20 inches. Okay, you want your overhang to be about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. Okay, now bring this piece down just to the tar. That way there you got tar running around the whole perimeter of the roof. Okay, I want to cut 6 inches off the next shingle. Okay, the next shingle I want to take 12 inches off. Now I want to take 18 inches off of this one. Now I want to take 24 inches off of this one. Four and a half. Okay, I got the roof shingle. Now I'm putting the cap on. I just want to show you these 3-in-1 shingles. You just cut an angle off. That way there it doesn't stick out past when you put it on the cap. There. Okay, these are easy to do. Just put it, make sure you get your tire here. Tap over the top of the tire. Make sure you're in line. Now if you're in a high windy area, you may want to put a double nail that. double nailed it. Silicone. There, just put some silicone on the head of this. There. Done.